So it just started raining crazy. We had a tropical front, whatever. Some bananas have died. Some trees have died. We had some really strong winds just blasting through. See that one? Power line went down over there. It's like on the road. No hay corriente. It's let up right now. It's really calm. It was like really strong winds. The buildings are fine. This big tree over here went down from the neighbor's yard. And some stuff went down back by the river. Yeah, some bananas. Tied that one up. Still got the banana rack. Alright, Dunkin' Donuts, here's the skinny. Last night we had an epic storm. Shit took out a number of trees. We gotta be repairing bananas, sticking them back in the ground, chopping off broken stems. Check this out. Let's go take a look at the yard. But you take a look at that, brother. We must have lost 10, 15 bananas. I don't know what we're gonna eat come 3 months. What I'm standing on here, my brothers. Can you see what I mean? Look at this ice cream bean. We had some ridiculous damage last night. We had some strong winds coming in from the Amazon. Knocked over a bunch of banana trees, as you can see. Check out that banana. It's down. This one got taken out. I chopped off the top. Hopefully it regrows from this ice cream bean. Luckily we were planning on chopping down this baby anyways, so it fell down. It's another big old ice cream bean down there. We got bananas down left and right. This shit is out of sight. Gotta get on the repair today. Know what I mean? No sleeping in, hey.
Ora, signor.